Hello, hello. Bueno, bueno, what up, what up? This is going to be the late night, the last quarter of the night, if you will. And let me see right here. Make sure I got to turn on the camera. What's up? How is everybody doing tonight? Hopefully you guys are doing good, if you will. We said, what's up? Who is that? Oh, hold on. All right. Hey, hello, hello. What's up? How's it going? What up, Dan? What up, Gio El Paisa? What's up, Whitney? What up, Michael? Who else is in here? Let's see. Let me go through the comments here right quick. What's up, Emily? What up, Jill? All right, all right. Let me see who else over here. I think that's it. Is that Hot Mess Express? Is that you? Hot Mess. Let me see. Morning from the UK. It's 7 a.m. What up, Rowdy? How's it going? What up, Gio? Oh, man, Gio, you jumping around, I see. All right, so court hasn't started quite up yet. I pulled the trigger a little bit early because I know sometimes, hey, what's up, Michael? How's it going? I know sometimes some of you guys miss out on these hearings and whatnot. You guys jump on a little bit early. How's it going? Yeah, I can't complain. My first day back home. I have to settle back in, getting back into the swing of things, if you will. I've been neglecting you. I'm going to send you the info. Hey, don't trip. It's all good. You know, I know how it goes. I Mess Express. I do it all the time, but it's all good. You know, you get around to it whenever you can. You know, there's no pressure from me. You know, I got enough things going on in my life right now. Thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Who do we got? Nobody is commenting on the YT side, if you will. All right. Let me see. Maybe this will wake them up over there on the YT side. Let's see right here. Where is it? Where's my toasty guy at? Where is he hiding? Toasty. What? Where is he? Looks like it's missing. Let me see. Toasty! There it is. I'm gonna copy the toasty guy. Let me see. Copy paste. Toasty! Right, there we go. We got the toasty guy back. Toasty! Hopefully that wakes up your abuelita. Like, James, I don't know what you're talking about. The toasty guy. Toasty! You wouldn't know if you jumped over to the YT side. Let's see. Let's make sure all the sound effects are working. What time is it for you? So for me right now, it is 22:53. So that would be 10:53. 10:53, if you will. Drop one, flush one. What up, Loretta? Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. It's nighttime for me right now. Let me see, Mark. What's up, Mark? Morning. It's 6:53 here in the UK, if you will. Dylan, it's 2 a.m. Damn. Did you visit the prison in El Salvador? No. So what ended up happening with that was they wanted me to write a letter. So I had my wife write up a letter for me in Spanish, and then we went to drop it off the following day. They said that they'll contact me whenever they want. So I guess if I hear something back, then they'll let me in. If I don't hear anything back, then they weren't interested in letting somebody like me in that place. So, which is understandable. You know, the people that you see on these videos, you know, that they allow into that facility look nothing like me. So I wouldn't be upset if they don't let me in. You know, it's all I could do is attempt to try to get in. And obviously, I want to get out. So, if they let me in, I'm not trying to get a one-way ticket. I just want to be in there for a few hours and then, catch my footage and be on my way out. ¿Qué onda, vato loco? ¿Qué onda, maje? Let me see. So, hey, thank you, Big Mike, for that daily heart. Aurora, Colorado. It's going to be 11:54. So, yeah, so I went and I went, I wrote a statement. I gave him a copy of my Salvadorian ID. But I was getting a lot of funny looks when I was walking into these places. Like they were looking at me like, oh, I don't know about this guy. So, let me see here. Hey, bro, LAPD pursuit cop hit a car, not involved, people in critical condition. Damn, that sucks. Let me see. Welcome back to the States. When did you get back? We got back. We landed in Atlanta on Saturday, but we didn't end up getting home until Sunday, I think about 1 a.m. So so we've been back. We had to settle back in, unpack and get everything back in order and whatnot. And then, to my surprise, it was Mother's Day, so we landed that day. By the time we got to bed, it was like past 1, and then we had to wake up early the next day. I think we got up actually the same day, like at 7 a.m. We had to take my wife's parents out to breakfast, and then we're just pretty much just running around yesterday. Oh, so yeah, if I hear anything back, you guys will be the first to know if they do extend an olive branch to me. But I'm not holding my breath on it, to be quite honest with you guys. I might not fit into their agenda. So, hey, what's up, Kaylin? How's it going? Welcome back to You Have a Collect Call From. But I think it would be cool. I think it would be a cool experience. And I think we're getting some action now. I kind of heard something like that Microsoft Teams call wanted to come in. Let me see. There it is. Yep. Let me see. It's mad. They have 11 p.m. hearings. Hey, crime never stops, Mark. Crime is always, crime is an ongoing thing over here in Arizona, or in the Arizona area, if you will. All right. Looks like they're a few minutes early. I'm pulling that trigger. Hey, thank you, Anita. Highly appreciate that. Hey, Mickey, the man. Hey, what's up, Daphne? How's it going? Trucha, because they're gonna go in and don't get out, bro. Hey, it might be like that. But hey, you know what? What was it? El Gallo Negro said, "Life's a risk, carnal." So, I'm not tripping. What up, chicken knuckles? What up, Chris? How's it going? Hey, what up, my life's peachy? What's up, Mississippi? And everybody coming in, the regulars. Hey, gracias, highly appreciate it. Hey, thank you, Mr. Keeping It Real 8. What's your plan if you let me see, what's your plan if you do get in, bro? To record. I just want to record. I wanna ask these fools questions. I wanna ask the guards question. I just want to pick their brains. And that's pretty much it. And then keep it moving. Get out and blast my footage. Want to see what the hell that prison looks like. Want to see those damn steel beds everybody be sleeping on. Shit, I wouldn't even mind going into one of those cages. Let's see how many dope heads we got tonight. Hey, Mr. James and chat, I hope you are all doing awesome or had an awesome day. Thank you. Hey, thank you. What's up, Devin? Thank you. Highly appreciate that daily heart. Let me see here. Hey, Belle, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate that. And who is that right there? What's up? How's it going? Adam Sen. Morning from the UK. Hey, thank you for that level up, Sparks. Thank you for going on live. I was so bored. Yeah, for the next 2 days, I'm gonna be doing the first stream, which would be at 8, and then I'll be doing the 11 p.m. stream. My time is gonna be limited, but I'll have some free time on Thursday. So on Thursday, I'll be able to hang out for a few hours in the morning. So anybody that wants to hang out on Thursday, I'll probably be on from maybe like 8 a.m. till noon. All right. Court's in session. You should spend the night just for the experience, right?
Thank you. Please be seated.
All right. Anybody that doesn't believe that this is live, just pay attention to what he's going to say right now. Hey, what's up, Teresa? Mind
This
the
is the
gap.
11 p.m. calendar on May 12, 2025. Orders are given on the 1st of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders are made in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this. Not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders are going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you today. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you are going to be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me.
What up, Matthew?
I'm not your legal counsel. I can't answer legal questions for you, so please save your legal questions for your attorney as well. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and not lose it. If you end up missing a court date or not following a court order, you could just end up back here.
Damn.
Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names.
What?
First name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on that chair next to the door. And we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished.
Oh, that's a pretty bad cough. You might need some promethazine with that.
Okay, please get Dennis McCabe to the podium.
With that.
Michelle Anderson to the chair, please.
Judge might be a little bit under the weather, if you will. Let's pick up the screen right there. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. Damn, Judge, I hope he's covering his mouth when he's coughing.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Dennis McCabe, 10-370.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant and a failure to appear warrant. Let me talk to you about your probation violation first.
I've been struggling.
I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be May 19th in the Downtown Superior Court. Based upon the request of your probation violation judge, I'm going to be holding you non-bondable at this time due to a violation of your probation. For your failure to appear warrant, I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is May 22nd in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the cash bond set by your original judge is a $5,000 cash bond. But sir, please don't try to pay that bond because you're being held non-bondable on your probation violation. If you want, please step to your left for your paperwork.
We're Maricopa County, if you will. Damn.
Michelle Anderson to the podium. Brianna Maker to the chair, please.
Hey, thank you, Caitlin. It's good to be back. Hey, thank you, Nicole. Highly appreciate that. That's right, Downey in the house. That 562.
Please.
Michelle Anderson, 6572.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. 3 counts of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony.
Damn, she looks shot out. Ooh, she don't have no teeth.
A Class 6 felony.
She in gators.
I found probable cause in everything except for 1 count of possession of narcotic drugs.
For
a Class 4
weeks.
felony. I have found probable cause in everything else.
Damn.
So I'm only going to be considering the charges that I have found probable cause for.
Hey, she's like 25 years old. She's giving that gummy in action.
19th and 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged you committed this offense while you're out on release on the other offense, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time.
What up, Kayla?
Please touch your left.
Thank you for that daily heart blessed for life. Hey, can you guys believe she's 25 years old? Damn, hey.
To the chair, please.
Stay off that scante. Stay off that methany, because it's all bad. The rugs ate her teeth away. Damn, James, you ain't right. Ain't no way. I'm shook.
And name, please.
James,
thank you. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be May 15th.
No way, she's 25.
That's at the Yavapai County Superior Court.
I don't know how old she was. I'm just messing with you guys.
Judge up there, I'm going to be holding you non-bondable due to a violation of your probation. So they'll transport you up there on May 15th.
What up, Purple?
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Tyree Shaw to the podium.
Thank you for that daily.
Billy Robbins to the chair,
What's up,
please.
Samantha? Is that a man or a woman? Laughing out loud, you got me. No, but you know what? In all
Name and
seriousness,
date of birth, please.
Dwayne Ruggs,
Second, 11/26/73.
Thank
it's
you.
all bad.
You're here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. Grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on possession of narcotic drugs for sale, Class 2 felony.
What up, Cake Betty?
Transportation of narcotic drugs, Class 2 felony. Possession or use of a weapon in a drug offense, a Class 4 felony.
What up, Purple?
This was alleged to have occurred back between March and April of 2025. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is May 20th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the cash bond set by the grand jury. It's a $75,000 cash bond. Sir, I know you already have a cash bond on another grand jury case.
It's a stream.
Prosecutor wrote a note they're gonna dismiss the other case, and this new case is gonna take over for the old case. So you're not gonna have double the bond. It's just gonna be the same bond.
So the other charges are these are all the new charges right here?
So these should be the only charges that you're going to be facing, at least according to the notes written by the prosecutor.
Thank you for that.
But the bond should be the same. It's a $75,000. Double the bond. It's just going to be the same bond.
So the other charges are these are all the new charges right here?
So these should be the only charges that you're going to be facing, at least according to the notes written by the prosecutor.
Okay.
But the bond should be the same. It's a $75,000 cash bond.
Thanks.
There's no way to get a secure bond. I have a home and a father who's 75 years old who keeps falling, and I'm his caregiver.
Yeah, no, unfortunately, it's set by the grand jury, so
Okay.
I can't change it.
Right.
Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any witness or co-defendant, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Does it say who my co-defendants are?
It does not.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Please stop your left for your paperwork.
Hey, he might have pneumonia,
Billy Robbins to the podium.
if you will.
Noe Maldonado to the chair, please.
Damn.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Billy Robbins, 11/14/65.
Thank you. You're here today in a Superior Court new case.
Is that Mr.
You've
Clean?
been arrested for 4 counts of organized retail theft, Class 4 felony. 1 count of shoplifting, a Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of
Let's diagnose the
$10,000.
judge.
Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision. You're going to be drug tested and monitored. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to return to the scenes of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. No contact with your co-defendant. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And you may not enter any Lowe's stores or their premises.
All right, Your Honor, can I ask one question?
Sure.
You said 2,000 security bond?
Yeah.
Is that 1,000 or?
Yeah, so you can use the bond company. It's not just 10% nowadays. It's somewhere between 10 and 15%. Depends on the bond company.
Right.
All right.
Okay, if I don't make it, if I don't make a bond, can I file right now for fast and speedy trial?
I'm sorry?
Can I file myself for fast and speedy trial right now, verbally?
You may not.
I'm not allowed to?
No, because this is just a court that informs you of what your bond is and what your charges are.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, he wants to go to
Noe Maldonado to the podium.
he wants to go to prison
Clifford Ragland
ASAP.
to the chair, please.
Hey, this judge's cop is definitely messing up
Name and date of birth, please.
my experience here.
Noé Rodriguez Maldonado, May 30th, 1991.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 3 felony, threatening and intimidating, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $10,000.
Thank
Sir,
you for that.
if
Thank
you're
you,
able to
Hart.
bond out, you're going to be on pretrial services supervision. You're going to have an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, if you bond out, you can't go back to where you were arrested. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And you cannot live with the victim, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed 1 civil standby with local law enforcement to collect any essential belongings.
This one?
And you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony.
What up,
Why
Cha-Cha?
don't you step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Damn you, mute button. Damn you. Hey,
Call a couple warrants, please.
That mute button haunts me in my sleep, if you will, Mr. Keeping It Real. Hey, thank you for that daily heart right there. Highly appreciate that. So he muted it. Right now for whatever reason. Hey, loving stars. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Jenny, thank you for the follow. Marsha, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Team, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate it. Jenny put, I love your hat. Hey, man, I love Canada, if you will. Hey, thank you, that guy. Appreciate that daily heart. Who else gave me a daily heart over here? Kindred Spirits. That's right. Probably having a cough spell. He's probably coughing a lung up, if you will. My guess they changed judge and he goes home, right? Go Blue Jays. Hey, Jennifer, thank you for that daily heart. Laughing out loud. Hell yeah. Man, I appreciate you guys. So right now, I guess it's just me right now that you guys got to entertain you guys while we wait for the next individual to come up. But I know a lot of people, it's kind of hard to believe that court is actually happening right now at 11 p.m. But you know what? Hey, crime never stops, if you will. Crime is always going on. It's an ongoing problem in Phoenix, Arizona, Maricopa County, if you will. Let me see. Matthew writes, my Rockets fired Bud Black as our head coach after 9 seasons. What? He's probably using his inhaler. Either that, he's taking out the bolsita right now, getting a few pericasos, if you will. Mute button should have. Let me see. Mute button should haunt you. It's driving your people crazy, right? Okay. We're back. We got the audio back.
Ragland to the podium. Arthur Molina to the chair, please.
And the delay between the video and the audio, I have no control over that. That's pretty much the court's doing right there.
Sir, name and date of birth, please.
Clifford Ragland, 428-79.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and 2 probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony. Taking prohibited articles into a jail, Class 5 felony.
Oh, damn.
Aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony.
He packed a prison suit.
Probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney.
Case.
Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a placeholder bond of $50. Sir, you also have 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be May 19th for both of those. Setting secured appearance bonds of $1,500 for each of your probation violations, a total $3,000 secured for your probation violation.
Hopefully. Thank you, Meek, for that
Sir,
follow.
if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness.
Thank you.
You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours because you're on intensive probation services. Why don't please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
I think what placeholder means is that he's already been sentenced to prison.
To the podium.
And they put a
Cabello to the chair, please.
They put a holder on him so he could stay in jail, so he could go ahead and finalize whatever charges he got on this new case, so he doesn't go back to prison. Hey, what's up, Pancho? What up? Hey, thank you. What up, Amanda?
I'm sorry about that.
What this wheelchair do?
All right, sir. Name and date of birth, please.
What's up, Reasons? Greetings.
Arthur Molina, 7/15/86.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 3 felony, and aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision with alcohol and drug testing and monitoring.
They see me rolling.
You're going to be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor.
What up, Kimberly?
Furthermore, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with the victim or any witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
I got a question.
Sure.
I'm paraplegic, I'm incontinent, and I have a lot of medical necessities that I don't understand how I'm going to be in here when I wear adult briefs. I'm incontinent, I'm paralyzed from the T11 down.
Incontinence means that he uses diapers, pretty much, adult diapers. For those of you that are not familiar with what incontinence means, if you will. Little terminology right there. His hands are weapons. Right, shenanigans.
Right, sir. Go sit back down, or go have his wheel over there, and then I'm going to call your matter again, okay?
Did he say go wheel over there? the disrespect, Your Honor. I object, if you will. And he needs somebody to change him by his no name.
Alicia Cabello to the podium.
Sorry.
Stephanie DeHart to the chair, please.
We'll over there. Go, Will.
Name and date of birth, please.
Alicia Cabello, 12/7/01.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision.
Please.
And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. So please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am. Stephanie DeHart to the podium.
They have
Nikki
court.
Rose to the chair, please.
They have court this late? Boston in the house. James is brought to you by the unmute button.
Name and date of birth, please.
Stephanie D. Hurt, 1879.
Thank you. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be May 15th. That's at the Mayor Justice Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge up there. It's a $785 cash bond. Ma'am, if you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am.
I don't like this judge's energy. He's definitely throwing me off today.
Nikki Rose to the podium.
I'm
Shane
so
Thorpe to
still
the chair,
crying
please.
over here. The judge telling him to sit back down. Damn! What happened to this one?
11095, Nikki Rose.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court dates are May 19th and May 21 in the Downtown Superior Court.
Somebody give her a
Affirming
brush.
the bond set by your original judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
What up, Brody?
Please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am.
So I need 500 to bond out.
And a brush.
Shane Thorpe to the podium.
And a
Andrew
sandwich.
Cordova to the chair, please.
She's only 29. Yeah, she's looking mighty. Hey, that's what I'm saying. Hey, that methany, don't mess around.
Name and date of
Or
birth,
those
please.
blues.
Shane Dave Thorpe, 8488.
Thank you.
The judge is coming down too. Coming down with a cold.
Your next court date is May 19th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a $400 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours because you're on intensive probation.
Is this live or a
Step to your left
replay?
your paperwork. Andrew Cordova to the
blues.
podium.
$2 or $3? That's
Vanna
cheap.
Apachito to the chair, please.
What? Are those the 10 milligrams? Or the 20 milligrams? Or the 30s?
4/19/1993.
Thank you
Name,
for that.
please.
Andrew Cordova.
Baby.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant.
$2 to
Let me talk to you about your new
$3?
case.
No.
I
You've
remember
been
when they were
arrested for...
$1 a milligram.
Gotta change something.
Bueno. Which state is this? This is Arizona.
Real quick, please. Sir, you've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause on the possession of narcotic drugs, not on the possession of dangerous drugs at this time. Sir, just because I don't find probable cause today, though, doesn't mean that the prosecutor's office can't find it
I'm
later.
in Tucson.
So I don't
Oh,
want you to think that
shit.
it's going to go away forever, okay?
Damn, bro.
All right, sir. On the one charge that I have found probable cause, I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next
Is
court dates are
James
May 19th and May 21 in
live
the Downtown
or-
Superior Court, setting a placeholder bond of $50. You also have a probation violation warrant. Your next court date is going to be May 19th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge, it's a $250 secured appearance bond. So you have a total $300 secured for both your cases. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Hey, bro, you're in Tucson? Shh, it's rough out there, man. Everybody be catching DUIs, DVs, and shoplifting cases.
Lana Apachito to the podium.
Pima County is
Justin Gully
bananas.
to the chair, please. Could you please lower your hood for this? Thank you. Could I get your name and date of birth, please?
Ben Epatito 51785.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's May 19th in the Downtown Superior Court.
AZ
I'm
Lab.
affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge.
My first DUI was in
$100
Pima.
on each one, so total $200 secured. Ma'am, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your probation officer within 3 days. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am?
Thank you.
Yeah, you know what? I think Pima
Justin
County,
Gully to the podium.
from these court
Renee
cases that we
Ramirez to the
watch,
chair, please.
I think Pima is definitely a lot worse than Maricopa when it comes to drop one, flush one. Why?
Name and date of birth, please.
Justin Gully, August 21st, 1993.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be May 19th in the Downtown Superior Court. Upon a promise to appear, I'm going to be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. Once you're out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, once you're out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Sorry to understand these conditions.
Yes.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to appear on May 19th at the Downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yeah.
Upon defendant's promise to appear, I'll be releasing him on his own reconnaissance. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Yeah, the judge, I'm
Renee
telling you,
Ramirez to the podium.
this judge is messing my mojo up right now. He's definitely throwing my A game off, if you will.
Hello.
Hi, sir, please remove your hat.
This for walking in like the dude from Friday. No more
Can I have your
locked
name and date of birth,
doors.
61164.
Name, please.
Renee Ramirez.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony.
Thank you, no
I
name.
have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney.
Bueno.
Your next court dates are May 27 and May 29 in the Downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to be releasing you. There's some conditions to your release. Sir, once you're released, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Yeehaw. Hey,
understand
thank you,
these
Mr.
conditions?
Keeping It Real.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes.
Friday
Do you promise
mornings
to
are
appear on
early.
May 27th and May 29th in the Downtown Superior Court?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand if you fail to appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes.
Upon defendant's promise to appear, I'll be releasing him on his own recognizance. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
Don't forget your
Mr.
beanie,
Molina?
my man, right there. Hey, Miss Jensen, thank you for that rose. Highly appreciate that. He has a pair of pink binocs you can purchase. I gotta go grab my pink binoculars. Where are my pink binoculars at? Damn, or on felonies. I remember during COVID, so many cases were being
Sir, do you
dismissed.
currently work?
2023.
I'm disabled. I collect disability.
Okay.
Otro para afuera. What up, Debbie? Hey, do you think they're gonna let this fool go? Cause he called them back again, so he might be letting them go. What do you guys think? Should he let him go, or should he teach him a lesson? How are you? Hey, Debbie, I can't complain. I'm doing pretty good. He probably will. He
Okay,
might.
recalling Mr. Molina.
He's gonna roll away.
Sir, at this time, I'm going to be taking off the secured appearance bond. You're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision. You're going to be alcohol and drug tested and monitored. You're going to have an electronic ankle monitor. You're going to be on home arrest. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness.
What up,
No
Tita?
contact with any minors. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Your next court dates are May 27th and May 29th in the Downtown Superior Court. Sir, do you understand all these conditions of release?
Yes.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
I'm not sure.
Do you promise to appear on May 27th and May 29th in the
Yes.
Downtown Superior Court?
Yep.
Do you understand if you fail to appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes.
Upon defendant's promise to appear, I'll be releasing him to the supervision of pretrial services. Sir, it's your responsibility to call them during normal business hours once you're out. If you fail to call them, you're going to come back here. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, sir.
Thank you. Take a second look.
Sure. If you wait right there, you're going to get new paperwork, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, this is a new meeting. This is a new meaning to if you will.
My property,
And this concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
11 p.m.? What? I'm not, you know what? I'm not sure exactly what he was arrested for, but it wasn't the normal no contact with kids because they didn't wait to the last one. He had actually came on in the middle of it. if you hey, we're gonna go straight to HEL with that one. That one assault. It was assault. Okay, thank you for that, Debbie. Highly appreciate that. They're gonna take his one wheel till the wheels fall off. Hey, what up? How's it going every day? Hancho put the ban. Yeah. Thanks for showing this much. I appreciate it. Hey, thank you for the follow, Mags. Highly appreciate it. If you will, please let me roll. Hey, you guys never fail with the comments, man. You guys definitely always got me laughing. Hey, thank you for that daily heart. But yeah, hey, so I know some people had stopped in today and they were wondering if this was live. This is always live and direct. If and when I do run one that's not live, I always let you guys know. I don't do that pre-recorded or earlier. You know, when I run these and I'm live, you guys know that it's live, if you will. Let me see, laughing out loud. He don't worry about it. Right to court. That guy got you rolling. Ay. Let me see if James is live. The court is live. That's right. Hey, that's right, Cherry. You ain't lying. Let me see. That's all for tonight. Yeah, that's it. It was what was it? We had a little good run, 27 minutes or so. Show Tory Lanes. Hey, I heard about that. Let me see. Good night, James. Thanks for you for everything. See you tomorrow at 7. Yeah, I'll be on for I'll be on at 8 a.m. Cops don't go to run too fast. Yup. Yeah. So that's it, man. Hey, if you guys haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that because I gotta wake up early tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day for me tomorrow. Hey, but I do appreciate you guys. Let me see. They do court in the middle of the night. Do Morse code? No, they don't. Arizona does though. Arizona is one of those states that they do. So, don't be surprised when you see me, 11 o'clock p.m. or depending where you're at. Maricopa County normally runs them every 3 hours. So, and for those of you that like to watch these type of cases, definitely check us out on my YT page at CollectCallFrom. I run those all throughout the day, even when I'm not on these lives. So let me see. Have a good night, James. Appreciate you. I appreciate you, Whitney. Let me see. No one wants to watch court if it's not here. It's comedy here. That's right. See you later. Hey, thank you. Hey, Anita, have you got your stickers yet? Hey, thank you, Mama. I appreciate you guys. So yeah. Yup. Anyhow, hey, I can't even see right now. My eyes are all dry. But hey, I do appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for those of you that want to jump on. And this is 8 a.m. Los Angeles time. So we're depending on where you're at, it might be a different time. Not yet. Okay. All right. Just wanted to check, So I mailed them out over a week and a half. So hopefully you get them soon. Thank you, James. Appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate you, Debbie, for being a subscriber. And everybody, whether you're subscribed, whether you're following, whether you're not following, whether you're dropping comments, whether you're a lurker, I appreciate every single one of you. Because all of you guys are, helping us get into the algorithm. If you will, we're hitting different parts of the world. We're hitting Britain. We're hitting Canada. We're hitting Australia, New Zealand. And I see that with the numbers, when I check out the analytics. So I do appreciate you guys. Anyhow, hey, I'm about to cut it short. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said right here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we are out. A rato. Shall we? Hopefully your grandma don't wake up, abuelita. She might throw a chanclazo at you.